आमचे में. May I have a good and comfort of sleep. Good sleep doesn't mean long sleep. Quality sleep is a punya sometimes. You need a sleep and proper sleep. Because if tamogun is not at the right time, you won't have satguna after that. All gunas are very good friends. You have to have tamogun before the sleep. During the sleep, you should have tamasic. You have to have tamogun. If you have a good sleep, then you can get up bright. Then your eyes are shining. So Shainamcha is very, very important in life. And quality sleep, some few tips I am giving. Fix your time of sleep every day. Body is not meant to have erratic times. Sleep before 12 o'clock, because that is the time when the sleep is quality sleep. 12 to 3 is the main hour of the sleep. If you miss this time, it will be difficult to get a fresh sleep. Lungs are working very well. Liver works very well during this time. So if this time you miss, your digestion will be affected. Third thing is that there should be dreamless sleep as much as possible. If you are disturbed in the daytime, if you think a lot about this, that, you won't have a quality sleep. The dreamless sleep, the depth in the sleep comes only when you have a quiet mind. A yogi needs lesser hour of sleep than a sansari. They sleep for 8 hours, is till they yawn in the morning. So if you are not a deep person, you will need lot of hours to sleep and you will be sleepy. Because you didn't get this quality of sleep. And then you will have lot of diseases. This will come up. Many diseases will come up because of this lack of sleep. Body does not get a repairing time. Sleep is shut down. It needs a repairing time. At least before sleep, you should have a good chanting of mantra. Chanting of mantra, what it does, the subconscious gurgling mind, it tries to dissolve it in the name of the Lord. If you think something else, then you will not have a good sleep. Okay. And last but not the least, always pray to God. If in the sleep, please give me darshan. He does come in the dream and give you the answer, even if you have Vedantic problems. So you need a good sleep.